bienvenidos, es mi channel. Me llamo es Dora de Explora. Mi favorito pastime is fashion. Okay, let's cut it out. Do you guys ever get annoyed when like people are talking to you and they have shades on and you don't know what they're looking at? It just, okay, let me take this off. All right, this is not what this channel is about, okay? And hey guys, hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to share with you guys 5 things that you can do to elevate your style. Elevating your style is not about going out and buying all brand new clothes. You don't have to do that. All you have to really do is add some pieces here and there, do your hair, and you're going to be, you know, just looking real good, and people are going to be complimenting you saying, oh my gosh, girl, you look good. What is it? Okay. So let's get started. The first thing I want to talk about is hair. You have to have your hair done, whether it's natural hair and you put it nice in a nice bun, slick it, whatever you have to do, keep your hair done, because when your hair is done, everything kind of just falls into place. One of the reasons I learned to do my own hair, watching YouTube tutorials, was just to learn so I could do my hair and try to change it up here and there so that my outfits are always going to be on point when I come on here. So yeah, watch videos and see what you could do with your hair to keep it looking good, because we are not coming on here with bonnets. You know what I mean? Like bonnets, especially if you're a fashion person. And then we're not going outside with our bonnets, like Monique said. Like that is just like, okay, okay. When your hair is done, you look good. All right. So the next thing is a nice handbag will always do the trick. I've seen a lot of people rocking the Coach carry-all. I'll give a little picture here. It is so cute and it's so sleek, especially if you get in the smaller version of it. It's just a bag that's like a satchel, and then it also has wrist where you can carry it on your arm. It's something about when you're dressed up and you have a nice purse that just tops it, okay? So always have a nice handbag. I'm showing you guys here one of my favorite ones that I have. It's not like the most, it's not designer, it's not expensive, but it does the trick every time. I like to put this with dresses as well as like jeans with a t-shirt, but everybody, usually compliments the bag. They're like, oh my gosh, that is so cute. I paid like $20 for that. So yeah, a nice handbag will do it. And I'll also show you guys here, how it looks, and how I would, style it. All right, the next thing is shades. I was never a shades person, but my husband is, and he got me into them. So I've been really feeling shades lately. I usually, throw an outfit together, put it on. I also had Ray-Bans, which were really nice, like a dark black one with like little details will always do the trick. This is my son's, by the way. I just was like using it for the video. Another one that I like to use in my videos is this. When you have something like this, it just tops it, and it's like, people go like, oh, where are those shades from? It just adds a little bit something to the outfit. Shades will always do that trick. So get you some nice shades, maybe not designer, because, I do lose mine, I break them, but they really step up an outfit. All right, I would recommend to use for outfits are necklaces. I have quite a few. I'm just showing you guys some of them. This is one of my favorite ones of all time, and something like this. I call them statement necklaces because you put them on top of whatever you're wearing, and they just automatically elevate the outfit. People go, ooh, that necklace looks nice, So I feel like if you just have something plain that maybe is like kind of boring, you could easily do that and just put really nice necklaces, or even a simple one, and it just makes the outfit look so much better. All right, the next thing, I have to look here because I'm getting distracted, is either a nice leather jacket or even a pleather. I have that, and a jean jacket. I love my jean jackets. I have them in different colors because they really can step up the outfit, and they can also kind of keep it casual. So depending on how you wear it. So if you take like a nice dress, you put a denim jacket, and you put like really nice necklaces and nice shoes, it steps it up. I know jean jackets are kind of casual, but it just depends on how you dress it up. And I just like that as a mom. Like sometimes if I'm going to an event or something, I put on a jean jacket and I'm dressed up, but then I could just easily run, take off my shoes and turn into my sandals and be in mom mode in seconds. So jean jackets are really nice. So it's just one of those things that I will always recommend every single time. Oh, and then I realized I forgot one thing. The last thing that I would say that definitely can elevate your outfit is a good belt. Usually they're called statement belts because they just add a little something to the outfit. I'll show you guys some samples. Then you're going to see me wearing that yellow dress and I took a belt and it just stepped it up. So one easy way to elevate your outfit is to add belts, maybe to jeans, to slacks, and of course dresses. It will just step it up. Right, so I talked about hair, I talked about handbags, I talked about a necklace, I talked about shades and a jean jacket. So pretty much, you don't have to buy a lot of new things, just reach into your closet, look at the clothes that you already have, but figure out a way that you can step them up just by maybe adding shades, adding a necklace, adding a jean jacket, or just, putting some shades on, and you are set to go, girl. Like, with all these tips, you're going to be looking amazing. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and you found it helpful. Please hit that like, subscribe, and share button. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.